Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, and today I'm back with another review. This time it's of these beautiful Redgear headphones which I just got for 800 bucks. Now, before you go and buy them right now just looking at them, let me first give you a review. But before we do that, if you're new here, press that subscribe button and the bell icon for all the notifications. And let's get started. Hey guys, before I give you a detailed review, let me first give you a physical overview of these beautiful headphones. Now these headphones have an amazing design and great stretchability to fit any head size. It also has a beautiful leather headband which I think is really rare to find in this price point. It also has a beautiful RGB that actually lights up while you're gaming and gives you a very premium gamer feel. And let's not forget the huge ear cups that give you great sound isolation. But it also has a mic that lights up in this beautiful red light to let you know where to speak, which is just gamer things. Now that you have this overview, let's get back to the review. Hey guys, coming back to the main review, right? Talking about the build quality first. The build quality is amazing. There's metal on top on this headband and there's leather headband that is the secondary one. So the reason why this is done is if you wear it right here, the leather headband is the actual headband that sits on the top of your head, but the metal headband is just to give it that look of a perfect headphone. Now you might think that is an overkill, but the leather headband is actually much more comfortable than a metal headband on a plastic headband, and this is rarely seen at this price point. Another thing, yes, the ear cups are made of plastic, but they have really nice concealment, and as you can see, the size is huge. So this huge size allows it to have a certain amount of isolation, and that means better gaming. Now, obviously, we've seen this. Now, how does the RGB look? So yeah, the RGB is really bright here, right? It looks really nice at the dark. You cannot select the colors as an option in some app. They are like just automatically keep changing. So that's fine. At this price points, I don't really complain. The microphone also has a small red light, so that's cool. Another thing that I really like is how easily they move around. So for any headset, this is really cool. And let me show you how they look when you wear them. So they look like this. They are pretty big, so it's not something like you just go out and chill around with these headphones on. But if you're also someone who loves listening to music, this is a good choice for you. Or you're working from home, so you listen to music also, but you need talk and all. You can just use this microphone for talking, and headphones are pretty much good for anything you want to see, especially horror movies or music videos or anything. And they look real good. Like, the design is really nice, and seriously, isolation is nice, but I'm going to tell you more about that in the audio quality review. So talking about the audio quality, beautiful sound, the music is really peppy sounding on this one, and the isolation is just amazing. So you're going to enjoy the isolation from those 50 drivers being inside those cups. Now, so the cups are so big and the foam is so nice that the isolation is perfect, and the sound coming from these drivers is clear and crisp. Now, a lot of gaming headphones don't really concentrate on the sound quality per se if you're listening to music, but this one does, and the quality is absolutely amazing, and listening to this is fun, dude. It's so much fun. So to conclude the review with the main points highlighted, amazing thing for this price point. I would totally suggest you to buy it, and buy it right now. Links down below, because Amazon is still having this on sale. So go buy. See you in the next one.